I'm a JAWS screen reader user, and I basically use JAWS to do all my computer functions. But a big component of that is my using the internet and using email and so on for my home use and for work. My web page use, of course, is very important to me. It's how I access all the information at my fingertips. Being vision impaired, it's sometimes difficult to get access to information, so the internet is my method for being able to do that. When a web page loads for me, JAWS actually starts reading the web page contents as it's loading. I miss that, listening to some of that sometimes, so what I normally do is I will actually move to the very top of the web page, and then I'll have JAWS start reading from the very top of the web page to me, so I can find out what is on the web page if it's a web page that I've not been on before. I'll just stop that there for the moment, but you might have noticed JAWS is speaking rather quickly, and for people who aren't used to the voice of JAWS, they actually can't understand what JAWS is saying. So, but just JAWS was reading the contents of that web page, but was also announcing each link to me, each heading and so on, so I can get an idea of how the web page is made up, and it also will give me a means of knowing how to navigate this page and what links I can access to move to relevant parts within the website. So, I mean, I just was getting JAWS to read out continuously, but I can do things like read character by character, word by word, sentence by sentence, paragraph by paragraph, just up and down arrow if I choose to, and many JAWS users have different methods as to how they capture and listen to the information that's on web pages. So, oh, Vision Australia on the Today Show. So I just find it amazing, and this has just opened a whole new world for me as a person that loves to use a computer, but without having the screen reader JAWS to use, I wouldn't be able to access the information that the computer provides, and to be able to use it to do what I need to do in you know, my day-to-day living. So,